Introducing the future of city exploration. Our revolutionary app, DestinyOne, gives you an insight of places anywhere at any time. With the power of location services and mobile SDKs, we've crafted an unparalleled experience for tourists. Powered by several location services, our app ensures pinpoint accuracy in navigation. The mobile SDKs provide a smooth, real-time experience, transforming your smartphone into a personalized tour guide. Your exploration journey begins with a simple website surf. Register to personalize your experience and choose from a variety of tours, historical, cultural, or culinary. See history come alive with augmented reality, adding a new layer to your exploration.